What y'all making?
Skirts.
Skirts? And who is this one for?
Zaire.
This is for her? And what you make?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal? You know what you doing?
Yes.
Got kind of chilly up in here. What's this say? 68.
But there's a fruit form.
Just stitch all the way down. So simple, right? And I try to get as close to the edge as possible. Yeah, just take my time. Going all the way.
Alright, so we got the Chickshaw here. I got some work to do. It's we built this, I don't know, a couple months ago. You can see it, I had it kind of right here yesterday, day before, right here. You can see the manure. It's been it lays the manure down pretty good. Right here the other day. Got it all over the place here. Here it is. It was here one day. I had it over here. Oh, it was here one day. It's here one day. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? Y'all still got food? So yeah, been working pretty good. Haven't had to clean it. It's got a little bit of manure in there, but for the most part, a lot of it falls down. This big old guy. Gotta watch him. Yep. So what I need to do is we got the baskets in here, but we need to cut the baskets out. We haven't cut the baskets since we made it. So they fit in there real good. We just made it the way they made it. The way they told us to make it in the plan. And I guess there's a little lip on it here. You can see in here that they just kind of sit on that lip right there. So if I take the basket, slide it in, just sits on that lip there. Open the lid here. Put these little things in there. Yep, so you open the lid here, get a good shot of the inside here. So we just use these little things, whatever they're called, I forget what they're called. Latching. Oh, we got an egg here in our other coop. Rooster was just crowing. I wish I could catch him crowing. Cock-a-doodling. Got him. See what we got here. I'm gonna try to cut it with this. Don't really have a blade in here. Look like something stuck in there. I think there's a piece. There's a piece stuck in there. Alright, got some pliers. Stuck in there. Ah. On there. Okay. Oh. There it is. Alright. Now they're in there. Alright, plug this in. Got my basket. See how I want to do this. Oh, cut pretty good. Right idea to have somebody hold this. Let me get somebody. Ah, got it? Keep holding it. That's pretty smooth. Alright, I got one more.
Alright, well I need to go get on the jacket.
Think that'll work. We just kind of went with the edge of it. So it cut real smooth. He said have somebody hold it, and then he said to go back around it in the instructions with some sandpaper and kind of sand it smooth. So got one done. We're gonna grab the other one, cut it out.
Hold on, let me stretch my hand.
back, girl.
Alright.
Got my sander. It's starting to rain on. It's just 120 grit. Nothing's really sharp, but hey, that's what they said to do. Alright, so we got them back in there. Y'all can see in here. They're cut out. It's kind of dark. I might have to open this up. Let me open this up. So we got our holes cut out. I hope they can fit in there. It's not that big. But looks good. And then what they said, or what Justin said, is you can turn them to the side. Let's see if we can do it. There we go. So just turn them to the side there. Turn them to the side there to where they can't get in them. If you're having trouble with them laying or just resting in there. So yeah, have to get some straw and put it in there. So our chickens, they're not laying yet. They're like 4 months old or something like that. They should start laying in February, probably like middle of February, maybe next month.